Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to an exciting new option for your Honda Crosstour, the Multi-Lift Personal Transfer Lift System. The Multi-Lift, as you may know, is a personal transfer lift system designed around the unique concept that one lift gets you in and out of practically anywhere you'd like to go. So the same Multi-Lift that we're going to show you here to get you in and out of the passenger front of your vehicle can also be used for many other options. So getting into and out of the vehicle, lifting a wheelchair into the rear of certain vehicles, getting into and out of bed, again using the same unit, and all of it is possible, and it makes it really easy. So you can use the multi-lift with a portable base. You can use it in your bathroom to get in and out of the bathtub, on and off of the toilet, into and out of bed, into and out of an RV, an SUV, ATVs, swimming pools, hot tubs, you name it, the possibilities are endless. So here's the Speedy Bar. The Speedy Bar is designed for the hinge of this particular vehicle. We make nearly 500 Speedy Bars to date, and they are specifically for this vehicle. No modification whatsoever. And you'll see a detail video down below that'll show you a little bit more of the specifics of putting the Speedy Bar in place. So that's it. That's the whole installation. It's cordless, of course, so there's no electrical connections, and you got a nice alleyway to get your feet into and out of the vehicle. Our next step is to put the user into the vehicle. This uses a sling. The sling does not need to be put in place ahead of time. Let's show you how it's done. So our next step is to raise the user until they're up and off the wheelchair. Then we're going to turn the face into the vehicle. Once the feet clear the sill plate, we go forward. Down until the head clears. Once the head's inside, we're going to raise rearward. Once we're down on the seat, disconnect the sling. Remove the lift from the Speedy Bar. Remove the Speedy Bar from the hinge. Tuck the sling down, and we're ready to hit the road. Access Unlimited is 100% dedicated to the idea that you deserve mobility in the vehicle that you want to ride in and the way you want to do it. If you share that philosophy, please like us on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. If you're into Twitter, we're at @accessun. On Instagram, we are Access Unlimited, one word. On Pinterest, we're Access Unlimited, 2 words. Our YouTube channel has nearly 4,000 videos showing you all kinds of possibilities for this type of product. And that's at youtube.com/accessun. Contact us evenings and weekends at country code 1-615-873-0518. You can contact us daytimes, Eastern Standard Time in the U.S. at 1-607-669-4822. And during the best way to contact us, let us know what you need, is on our website at www.accessunlimited.com. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video. We hope you like what you've seen, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.